Hello dear students, in today's class I teach you three more functions or methods available in Python related to lists: pop, remove and delete. In the last class we studied map, filter and reduce. In today's class I teach you pop, remove and delete. And I hope you might be knowing what do you mean by pop. It removes the specified element from a list. Okay, it removes whichever you want from the list, that one you can remove. That is what all about the pop. Pop means take from the existing list. It removes the specified element from a list as per the index. It removes and returns a value. That is what interesting. It will remove means it will not remove exactly. It removes and gives us. That is what gives us means what? Returns a value. It removes the specified element from a list as per index. It removes and returns a value. What is the syntax? List dot pop into bracket index. And what is the index of the a value in this list? 0, 1, 2. I want to pop 1. 1 means the second value. 0, 1. B. B is removed and stored in X. We have extracted. Similar to removing means we are taking inside another variable. Then print the list. List is not having the B now, AC. But whichever has been removed, it has been taken inside one value. That is what pop. B is there in X. B is there in X. I hope you understood. It removes the specified element from list as per index. It removes and returns a value. This you can write one more example also. Then what is remove? It also removes like pop. Then what is the difference? Whatever it removes now, we cannot store it in another variable. We cannot store deleted value like pop. Pop, what happens? It removes. You can store somewhere, but remove, it removes. It also removes or deletes element from a list, but we cannot store deleted value like pop. See the same example. But here one more difference you can see. There we mention the index of the item to be removed, but here we are not mentioning the index. Directly value. That is one more difference between pop and remove. T dot remove, which one you want to remove? B. B is removed directly, that's all. We are not stored anywhere. AC is there. AC is remaining in that list. I hope you understood. Delete. It also deletes the selected element from a list as per given range. It also removes like remove, but range also you can specify here. 1 to 5. 0 is the index of A. 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means B, C, D, E is removed, not F. Remaining is A and F. This is what the delete. In exam, you can give two examples. Please practice pop, remove and delete functions. I hope you understood. Lists and strings. Lists can be, for example, lists and strings. See here, interesting topic. A string is a sequence of characters. Yeah. A list is a sequence of values. Your interview is going on. Interviewer will ask you the question, what is the difference between list and string? A string is a sequence of characters. A list is a sequence of values. Sequence of values is called list. Sequence of characters is called string. Understood? Very good. Now S is a string variable. S equals to students. I want to convert into a list. Possible. S2 equals to list into bracket S. That's all. All characters are separated. See here. S, T, U, D, E, N, T, S. That is what the topic. String is converted into a list. Understood? Very good. And we can use split method here. It helps us a lot. And split method helps to break a string into individual words. Actually, yes, I can do it as a single string for machine. Yes, I can do it. You can call it as a sentence also. Here we have 5 words. Yes, I can do it. I want to separate these 3 words. Sorry, all the 5 words. How shall I separate? Means split. How to split? Message dot split. Take into words. Now this words has become list. Understood? Split method helps to break a string into individual words. This message has been broken into words. Words is now a list. Print it. Yes, I can do it. I hope you understood. Join method. It is the opposite of split. Now we have separate one list we have. I want to make it as a string. Planning for the future. This is not a sentence. These are separate words. I want to join with one delimiter space. Then how shall I? Then I use join method. Join method works as opposite to split method. It joins the words into a single string. Planning for the future are the different words. I want to join with the separator space. Then delimiter dot join. You can type here comma also. If you use comma, with comma that will be joined. Whatever you type. Delimiter dot join list you have to provide. Now S is I am planning for the future. How the words are separated? With blank space. That is what the delimiter is used by me. Thank you. I hope you understood. In today's class I taught you lists and strings, how to convert list into string, how to convert string into list, as well as I taught you pop, remove and delete. Pop means deletes, you can store somewhere. Remove means it deletes, we cannot store somewhere. Delete removes, you can specify the range also. I hope you understood. Dear students, if you are understanding my explanation, please reply to me so that I can get the confidence on me, so that you are understanding. But no one is replying. Please try to reply to my videos so that I can get the confidence. All my students are learning, no? Sorry. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.